Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, if I'm still even calling it that, don't even know. But this is the final, I guess, video in the tiny house series. Finally, eventually, I've done it. I've done a tour of the finished tiny house. So yes, this is the tour. Motivated to film it during what is lockdown of the COVID-19 pandemic here in New Zealand. By my friend who's in the Netherlands, and she wanted to see what it finally looks like, so I filmed it. We are going to start with the outside, so let's go outside. Okay, so this is the outside of our tiny house. That's our bay window just up here, and that red cable is our power, and we also have, there's a little black one there which is our internet as well. No, it's blue, not black, sorry. Anyway, so yeah, this is the outside of our house. It's almost finished. There's still some trim painting and things that we need to do around the outside and that kind of stuff, but yeah, it's pretty much done. So we have, excuse the mop, we have these LPG, I think these are 18-litre LPG gas cylinders, and this is how we heat our hot water with a gas calefont, which is there. And we can also see some plumbing on the outside as well. So this one here comes from our bathroom sink, and it goes down and connects to our pee pipe. So that is from our dehydrating toilet, which has a pee pipe where it separates the wee from the solid matter. And that drains down into our grey water and goes out down that pipe down into all of these trees in here. So it's essentially just like watering those trees. And this big pipe up here is our toilet vent, so that vents where the solid matter is dehydrating in the toilet. So yeah, we haven't painted the back of the tiny house yet, but that's what that looks like. Now we're going to go inside. This is our makeshift steps for now. We were going to be building some steps soon, but we're currently in the COVID-19 lockdown, and I don't know if we have all the materials we need to build them, and we can't get them, so that's that. So we have our Harry Potter doormat, which is a bit hard to see because of the light, so it's Hogwarts Express 9 3/4. And then this is our little shoe rack that Andrew built. Andrew built all of this pretty much, so yeah, actually no, he literally built everything in here. Except for the kitchen cabinets, which we put together. So yeah, you walk into the tiny house and you've got the kitchen on the left, and then straight ahead we've got our stairs and our couch, living room area. So that's just kind of like an overview. I'll try to pan slowly. But the thing that is really hard to get a sense of on camera is the sense of space in here, because we have such a huge ceiling. It's a really lofted height, so when you actually come into the house and into the lounge in particular, it just has that huge sense of space because it's so massive. So I'm backing up all the way down to the bathroom, and you can kind of see that a little bit more of that sense of space there, which is really awesome. So yeah, we've got some trim and bits and pieces that we need to finish off, but that's our bay window, which is currently our baby changing station down here, and just a general sort of area for storing stuff, or like when we're sitting on the couch, you know, you put like a cup of tea and things up there and stuff like that. So yeah, and then we've got our whiteboard with stuff to do, Andrew's desk that he built there, and then just like baby storage stuff. Down in the kitchen, with the kitchen we really wanted a full-size kitchen as much as possible. The only thing we don't have is an oven, but we have a convection microwave which does roasting and baking and things like that, so that's okay. But it is a decent size, and we use it, we could fit like really a lot in. Actually, I think it actually has more storage in it than our previous flat, so yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, it is crowded with stuff, but that's tiny house living for you. You sort of have to make use of wall space if you need it. So got all our tea and shit up there. Shouldn't probably swear in this, but anyway, never mind. Wouldn't be me if I didn't. Yeah, draining board, etc., sink, and that's a little bottle station for baby. Using a shower caddy from Kmart. Thank you, Pinterest, for the idea. It's been a lifesaver. Yeah, so that's our little induction cooktop. We just have 2 burners. And opposite the kitchen, we've got our laundry pantry area. The pantry I'm still kind of in the process of sorting. When the lockdown happened for the COVID-19 pandemic, I was about to start like collecting up different containers and stuff for the pantry, but now I can't buy them because none of the shops are open. So there we go. Eventually this will probably have a door on it once baby is mobile so that he can't pull everything off the shelves, because that would suck. Yeah, and we just have a full-sized fridge freezer. On top we've got a little bit of storage there as well, which is awesome. Our closet, which probably will have a door on it as well eventually. Maybe, well, originally my idea was I wanted to have more drawers underneath, but it's kind of been quite useful to just be able to shove stuff. So yeah, we might just leave it as is and just put a door on. And then we've got our drawers, which has baby and me and Andrew. That's pretty much how it works. And I'll go back this way and show you the bathroom. Hello. Yeah, so this is the vanity that I built right after I got off on maternity leave. So that was a fun project. And we've got our shower with all our bits, and this awesome little space in between the wall and the shower, which is where we keep things like brooms and the vacuum, the long part of the vacuum cleaner, and just all of that stuff. Yeah, it's a full-size shower, by the way, so it's like 900 by 900. Yeah, we wanted a fairly decent-sized bathroom. And then we have some open shelving up there for storage, and then our little window. Our towels and stuff hang on the back of the door that slides, so it's just a sliding barn door. And then there's a little bit more storage there, and this is our dehydrating toilet. So I won't go into details about how that works because nobody really needs to know, but it does the job. We have to empty it into a compost heap, and that's pretty much how that works. Yeah, so I'll just show you. That's what it looks like with the door shut. Still needs framing, and we'll at least have to paint the other side of the door because of dampness from the towels and stuff molding it. But yeah, so I'm going to take you upstairs. So as you can see, some of our stairs have storage in them, open storage, little shelves. So down in here, that's where we keep some of baby's blankets and things. That's just random books and like a handbag that I don't actually ever use. Now we're gonna climb up and go upstairs. So we have this safety railing. Actually, I can't remember if I properly showed you like the view from downstairs, but anyway, so that's our safety railing. That is a fan that we had up for summer, which we need to take down now because we don't need it. This is our cozy little bedroom space. The bedding is awful. Haven't bought like nice bedding for it yet, but priorities, etc. So yeah, this is just where baby sleeps next to us, and we'll probably have to, well, not probably, we will build a proper like bigger size bed for him with like a cot mattress and stuff as he grows out of the bassinet. Oh, lovely windows, look out into the trees. We've got some bug screens on the windows upstairs that we like, and then we'll have to figure out some sort of safety mechanism, locky type thing, so that Artie can't open the windows and fall out of them because that would suck. And then yeah, I've just still got another fan, and then this is like the view from up in the tree house is what I like to call it. So hopefully you can kind of get a little bit of a sense of space up here, but it's kind of hard to actually show it on camera really. But But yeah, that's pretty much our house. So from downstairs, this is what it looks like, what the upstairs looks like, with the barrier and stuff. And then eventually we'll probably have like a little baby gate of some sort to go there, and possibly something in the lower stairs to prevent Bub from climbing up. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching our tiny house tour. If you have any questions about the house or anything, then just leave a comment down below and I will try to answer it. Cool. Bye.